Want to ensure profitability even when customers use discount codes? Here's how to set a minimum cart total after discount in Min Max Quantities. Go to WooCommerce, then Min Max Quantities. In General Settings tab, scroll down to the Discount/Coupon Settings section. Enter the minimum order value required after discounts are applied. Let's set this to 25. Click Save Changes to apply the setting. Here's how it works. A customer has a cart total of $60 and applies a 50% coupon. The discounted total is $30. Since $30 is above our $25 minimum, the order is allowed. But if the discounted total falls below $25, the customer sees a notice and must add more items to proceed. This ensures you maintain profitability even with discount codes. That's it. Your store now protects against excessive discounts. Thanks for watching.